We are cleaning a shop vac in this video. How do you do it? Let's get started. Alright, I've got a Craftsman wet and dry shop vac here that occasionally gets pretty filthy. Now, let's take it apart. Pretty simple to do so. There's a basic red bin like this, and the lid kind of pops off, and the hose from the side detaches just like that. Let's take a quick break. I've got a to-do list for you. First, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're finding it helpful. If you've got a tip, a question, or just want to share what's worked for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. Also, if you're feeling generous and you want to help feed my kids, half joking, not really, hit that thanks button. You can check out my channel merch for some cool DIY Bandit gear. You can shop trusted tools and home products that I use, and even consider becoming a member for some cool exclusive perks. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Now the red bin you can take out to the with the garden hose and just spray the heck out of it, high powered, or if you got a power washer, you can dump that. The filter on the top just slides right off. We'll get another view of that in a second. And you can replace it. If it's not super dirty, you could possibly just, brush it out with a soft bristled brush, some of those filaments, and just get the dust and the dirt out. But generally, I recommend replacing it. I mean, who am I? I'm no pro, but this is kind of what I do. Replace it every couple years or so. It's probably good, depending on how much you use it. And the filter comes off like this. Very simple to do. And then the only thing, so again, you can wash that out to your heart's delight. There's no electric components or anything like that in the red part, so that's really easy. Now the lid, of course, is the area that contains the motor, so you'll want to be, careful with that. You don't want to submerge that or spray it. At least that's not what I do. So just a paper towel and just kind of wipe that off. Should be good to go. And the underside here is a lot more difficult, but honestly, it's not that big of a deal. I'm just concerned with the filter and the inside, the red reservoir, right? Those are the two areas that I'm going to focus on. Now with a new filter in place, I can snap that back on. And of course the red reservoir is completely cleaned out, or good enough. And then it tips upside down like that, or right side up, I should say. That's pretty much it. Clicks on. And then you can put your hose, attach your hose just like that, making sure there's enough clearance from the handle. All right, and that is how you pretty much clean a shop vac. Pretty simple and necessary job. Thanks so much.
Are you okay? Look, come over here.